Hi friends, welcome to Code with Sony. In previous video we have learned important things on Python and it's time to move further with more exciting concepts. But before proceeding further, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Okay, so today we are going to learn iterations that we already discussed in my C programming languages videos. The same concept will revise here with different syntax. So stay tuned until last minute of video. Now we are going to learn iterations or loop. First thing, why we use iterations or why we need loops in our programming. Iterations is the concept of repeating of a function or process in a computer program. It reduces the number of lines of a program and thus an efficient way to do programming. One of the iteration or loop in Python is while loop. Let's take a simplest example of it. For example, I am taking a variable I and initialize it with one value. That's it. While I is less than or equal to 10 and a colon. It's a syntax of while loop. After that, print I. And I'm going to increment I with 1. Alright, the while loop will run until the condition is true. It is printing I, that is 1, until I becomes less than or equal to 10. So here you are looking that the output is according to our given code. The other thing is infinite loop. An infinite loop is that there is no iteration variable telling you that how many times to execute the program. That here is a limit that whenever I is greater than 10, the condition will be false. But an infinite loop, there is no requirement or no any definite time to execute the following program. Let's take an example. Here I'm going to take a variable n and initialize it with 10. Okay, while true, there is I am assigning a boolean condition, print n, end. I'm just putting end here so that the while loop will print n, which is 10, and I am giving its a statement n equal to colon with a space between us. Now I am decrementing in n equal to n minus 1, print, for example, done. See, this is an infinite loop and the compiler gives random and garbage values to us, and always giving the output it is printing done. Because I am not providing it actually an definite value or limit to where it has been stopped, so that it prints a garbage value with a word done. Okay, the compiler is so confused and how it is going to stop. Here is a stop button. I am stopping it. Process finished with exit code -1. You have seen -1 that the compiler is not actually know the actual limitation of the program. So that's why it is returning us -1. Otherwise, it will return us 0. Now, other than while loop, we have discussed other loops like do while loop, nested loop, for loop in C language or C++ language, and many other programming languages that are high level languages. So other thing that we are going to discuss is for loop, which is very useful for iterations. Let's take an example of it. I'm taking an array of friends or fruits. Let's an array of fruits. This is a variable. Mango, apple, peach. All right. For fruit in fruits. Don't confuse with the syntax. It is just a syntax. I will tell you line by line what is going happening to it. Print happy fruits, or change the syntax, sweet fruits. That's look cool. After that, fruit, and in next line print done. Okay, now compile it and run it. See what happened. Do you see that the for loop has been applied on this array, the array of fruit? Alright, in Python terms, the variable friends, the variable fruits is a list of 3 strings, that is mango, apple, peach. And this for loop goes through the list and executes the body once for each of the 3 strings in the list, resulting in this output. Looking at the for loop, for and in are reserved Python keywords. Alright, this is a basically syntax of for loop in Python. And fruits are variables. These are not the keywords used in Python. These are the random variables. We can change these variables as our desire. In addition, fruit is the iteration variable for the loop. Okay, this is not has a business with the rest of the array of fruits. The variable fruit changes for each iteration of the loop and controls when the for loop completes. This is the working of this fruit variable. The iteration variable steps successfully through the three strings stored in the fruits array or fruits string, so that the output is sweet fruits mango. It has taken the first string and then it print done. Because this fruit variable is changes for each iteration. Alright, in second iteration, sweet fruits apple. This string is assigned to this fruit variable, and after this it has been printing done. In the third iteration, peach is assigned to fruit, and the same procedure will repeat. Okay, this is the working of simplest for loop. I hope that in this tutorial video you have understanding about Python iterations and while also for loop. If you like this video, then hit like button. For any query, please comment below so we can discuss it. Thanks for watching.